Hey guys, this is Stacia with Canary Designs, and we're gonna experiment with this new idea that I have to do a fire painting. This is part of my fire series. So as you can see, I painted those top corners with a black before I started to make sure that no white peeks through after the paint is dry. And then I added a tiny bit of white at the bottom of the canvas to be part of my swipe. And now I'm going through with red. I actually added a little bit of metallic copper to each of my 3 swipe colors so that when they dry, hopefully they will be kind of shiny. So we'll see if that works or not. But as you can see, I'm just swiping with kind of a wiggle motion and then lifting up as I go so that each flame has a pointy end. I'm just gonna layer the colors back and forth here. All of these paints are Artist Loft brand, and then I mix them with Floetrol and water, and the recipe for that is in the description of this video. So a couple times I didn't make the end right, so I just did what I could to fix them. So it's not perfect, but I think that this technique is definitely working, and it's looking pretty fiery. Abstract fire for sure. So here we go. Here's the finished product. A little bit of a bouncy close-up. And there you go. That's what it looks like. It's not dry yet, so I'm not sure if that all worked, but here you go. Thank you.